Here's a quick walk around of the car, guys. We've got the hood open there. As you can see, that kit looks amazing in my opinion. I do have a little manual boost controller. I was having some issues getting to 10 psi and that helped out quite a bit. But overall, pretty simple setup, nothing crazy on this thing. 2017 bumper on the 2015 body, which actually the body's the same until this new generation. But yeah, Cadillac brakes on there on the front. And we've got some Firestone Indy 500 tires on there, as well as the Ray's Graham Lights CR57s, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, guys, thank you all for watching. Have a good one.